Downshift.
But you're just talking about like engine braking, right?
Yeah. No, I'm gonna say downshift one more time.
Well, like drop a gear and
one more time.
Kind of a thing.
All right, now hit it.
You are way too gifted. You don't deserve this shit.
Hey man, I work hard for what I got. You feel me? Labeling.
Yeah, all right.
First driving the Scat. I'm letting my sergeant drive my Scat pack. 550 horses.
Right onto Meridian Crossings Drive.
I'm gonna wait for that guy to go.
He's scared. He don't want to turn.
Shut the fuck up.
What's your profanity? Right, I'm sorry.
Look, you said the first rule was don't crash.
You right.
I'm just trying to abide by your rules.
Have fun, man. Yeah. Oh shit.
Route recalculate at end of
Route
road.
recalculate,
Turn
huh?
I feel like you're gonna fall in love with this car.
Yeah, maybe a little bit. It's just too fucking hot in here.
Yeah. Oh my bad.
It's a little weird getting into a fucking car that like accelerates almost the exact same as my bike. Cause like there's a whole lot more to this than a tiny little, you know, skinny two-wheel vehicle.
I should make you hit the freeway.
You should.
Fuck it.
Hey, we'll do it on the way back.
Alright.
Get out of the way, motherfucker!
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fun.
Oh, now you were supposed to take that freaking freeway. Yeah. Whatever.
I'll figure it out.
Why is it like this?
Why the yeah, I was gonna say, why is it not like following us?
It's broken. Okay, there you go. Kind of.
We'll get there. Oh, no, we're good.
Alright, I'm gonna teach you how to downshift.
Downshift.
So get at like 40 miles per hour.
Not like 50 foot away.
Actually, no, stay at 50 because it's kind of. And then just hit the left pedal. Oh, get in there, get over here, get over here. Alright, hit the left pedal down. Do it one more time. Oh, you can't do it because you. Alright, hold on.
It's disabled.
Let me put it in. I'm gonna put it in sport. Nothing crazy. Fuck it. Hell yeah!
Man, yellow lights be damned.
Man, you don't even gotta stop at yellow lights. Alright, now downshift.
We were just talking about like engine braking, right?
Yeah. No, I'm gonna say downshift one more time.
Well, like drop a gear and
one more time.
Kind of a thing.
Alright, now hit it.
Oh yeah.
You put it back, hold the right one to put it back in gear.
Yeah, I got you.
It's pretty simple.
Yeah, that's when you're like, teach me about downshifting, man. Come on.
Yeah.
I ride two wheels. It's all about downshifting.
Oh yeah.
That's pretty fucking. That's fun though, man. This thing's got it's got a lot of kick.
Yeah, it does.
Almost too much.
And I want something twice as fast.
Yeah, that's the thing that. I don't know, man. You got me a little bit fucked up about that. Because if you can get in trouble that easily in this fucking vehicle, like,
yeah,
you're gonna do some hood rat shit in your fucking Hellcat. I know you are.
Hey man,
I swear to God, if I hear you driving down the street at 3 a.m. doing donuts in the middle of Woodward, I'm gonna come out there. I'm gonna give you a high five. I'm gonna run back inside.
Man.
So I'll get run over by the 40 other hooligans you hang out with.
Yeah.
You're not for the horse meat, dude.
Good people.
Can you put this back on navigation? I feel like we're close.
Oh yeah.
What? Define that for me.
Like in the 60s, I believe.
In 1,000 feet,
Like scat
turn
mean to
right
like
onto Holt Road.
get the fuck on. Like skedaddle.
Yeah,
Like get out of here.
Take the next right
Scat.
onto
So I guess
Holt
they
Road.
kind of just, I don't know.
So, in other words, this is like a skedaddle pack.
Yeah, man. Get the fuck on.
Why the fuck didn't they call it that? That's better.
Nah, I like scat. See, you lose traction.
Yeah, you're right. I thought you were fucking with me.
Oh, like literally, like if I took traction off and you did that, we'd be on the fucking side of the road.
I could.
Unless you knew how to drift.
Nah, not like that. not just yet.
Yeah. Let me turn this down.
I'm just amazed at how loud it is.
Yeah, this is
even
everything
just
on it.
inside.
It was so much louder. I had my cats off, my mufflers off. I put them all back on.
I would kill you.
Yeah.
See, I mean that's like a straight like that, right?
Yep.
Like no.
I literally straight piped it with headers, and it was
Holy
like
fuck.
screaming.
Yeah, I bet. Shit, dude, you start your car and that's like sounds like a bombshell going off. Yeah, this is good though. It's like it's loud, but it's not like so loud that it's like obnoxious or like that it's annoying.
Yeah.
I guess it can be when you really step on it, but
Yeah. But if you chilling like this, it's
this is nice.
whatever.
Actually. I thought like just driving like this, it was gonna be like too loud.
Yeah.
But it's actually I can barely hear it right now. But when you step on it,
Yeah.
you know what you're playing with.
For sure.
A mile. Now I don't want to say it.
I'm dead.
I'm just saying. I think I still got you on the acceleration a little bit.
Oh yeah, for sure. Probably getting this, but not the Hellcat.
I don't know. I mean, weigh nothing, dude. Like nothing.
800 horses, dude.
I know that's a lot of
800.
horses. That is a lot of horses. Taking it right? Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
No, this isn't. No, this isn't.
Go
Right or straight?
straight.
All right. 800 ponies.
Yeah, y'all. That's the end of the video. If you like the video, like, comment, subscribe. I'm out this thing. Peace.